Hey guys, what's up? So we're getting ready to go on a flight with this is E-Drone's Rotor Riot Flow. You guys remember him doing all of his videos on it? So I slammed it and we're on 6S with it now. So let's see how it flies.
Bust the move in this word, serve words with nerve embedded. I said it, word, damn you nerd, man, you heard. Coming from the town of Illy and alleys are full of Phillies and rallies. Suckers get silly and Sally, the fountain alleys and rally. Really? So here we go, now holla if you hear me though. Come and feel me, flow. Never Nixon with tricking brothers, bitching over fixins that ain't fitting to be hitting for nothing. Spitting things is spitting and getting written on. You're like a bad platter, boy, you're pissing me off. Boy, you even started, so what, so long, see you fly by my try. How else could I say it when you play it? Try boom, bye bye, bye bye. Here we go now, holla if you hear me though. Come and feel me flow. Here we go now, holla if you hear me though. Come and feel me flow. The flow pro poetical with skills only a better, know where's the way to flow that's on point like decimals, manhandling new crews, partying with the zoo crew, looking for the pink and poo poo. I thought you knew two stone styles for stamina, jamming, and while we're planning the jam, we bust with a party amateur damages, managing damaging mics, men, and even mannequins. You're a fan again, now I wanna know who's the man again. Naughty's back like vertebrae, word to hey I ho. The way I show you pray I flow. Steady breaking to the boogie, so bang time to slang bang and watch all the boo tag. Here we go now, holla if you hear me though. Come and feel me flow. Here we go now, holla if you hear me though. Come and feel me flow. Playing K, you break the body up, but beat the break into boogie. Firm and fully chase bass lines like bullies. All we wanna know is if your body wanna party. It's the poop tang for everybody. So hip up and split up, get up, your wit up, souped up, put your dukes up, no guts set up, but sit up, flip up, watch us rip up, shake shows until they fizz up, like you're with us. If not, zip up your lip up, whip up. Hits with ransom, foul styles get and once we came back 'cause we heard hip hop needed another anthem. Black like Noah, in fact that for ya. And we was back in the days with the juices, we'd have been known as the flowers. Revenue since the 70s, find me. So we went crazy in the 80s, so we woke his heinies in the 90s. Oops, the naughties, troops in sections of 40. So clap your hands and hold your shorty, I'm naughty. Here we go now.
So this is your tune. I did leave it all but the sliders. I slid over to the left just to where we got out of the danger zone highway, you know. Yeah, anyway, so where we didn't get that message, I didn't want to risk it. So, but damn guys, this mother trucker flew like holy shoot.